The OMNI Plus main screen now uses a tile-based layout. There are 3 views: Big Tiles View, Mixed Tiles View, and Details View. All parameter tiles are interactive. Tapping the bottom of a 2-piece tile opens a keypad for value entry. Tapping the top opens the Details View. The key areas highlighted on the frame of the screen from the left to the right side are Pressures Overview, AP, FP, VP, SP. Menu bar at the bottom, Main, History, Functions. Blood flow. Key icons: blood pump, therapy, heparin, bolus, syringe change, bag change. Other settings. On the right side of the screen, the heparin bolus is available. To activate it, press the icon. Enter the volume you want to infuse and confirm it. To change the bags, press the bags icon on the right side of the screen. During bag change, the therapy stops automatically. After replacing the bag change, press Weight Reset button. The therapy restarts automatically. By pressing the other settings, you can access further functions and information, including the temperature of the warmer, day and night mode settings, screensaver adjustment, clean window activation, the service menu, the date and time, and the switch off button. To change to night mode option, press the other settings icon, then press day and night mode. You can set the brightness of the screen and the audio volume of alarms separately for day and night mode. The modification of the brightness also dims the brightness of the green LED at the top of the machine. The service menu can be reached by pressing the other settings and then the service icon. The information in this menu can be useful for service technicians to diagnose the machine. The user can see here an animated, real-time flow scheme of the therapy. The screensaver can be enabled or disabled, and the activation time can be adjusted during therapy through the other settings menu. The screensaver allows you to visualize from a distance of 10 meters, 6 key parameters, and a clear view of the filter schematic. These parameters can be, for example, the next intervention, venous pressure, arterial pressure, pre-filter pressure, pressure drop, solution pressure. The appearing parameters can be customized in the TSM user configuration. To clean the touchscreen without modifying the parameters, press the other settings, then press the clean icon. The touchscreen will be unresponsive for 10 seconds. To change the warmer temperature, press Other Settings, then press the temperature of the warmer. This will open the details view of the warmer. Press Set Temperature. Enter the desired temperature and press Done. On the OMNI Plus main screen, you will see a set of interactive tiles. To adjust the filtration ratio, tap the corresponding tile, enter the new value, and confirm. The same applies for heparin flow rate. The treated plasma volume and the therapy time are automatically calculated and displayed as tiles in the big, mixed, and detailed view. All changes are logged and can be reviewed in the history menu. The plasma fractionator can be cleaned with fiber flushing, where flushing solution rinses the inside of the hollow fibers to the waste bag, or by transmembrane flushing, where the flushing solution rinses the hollow fibers from the outside of plasma fractionator to the waste bag. When the inlet pressure of the plasma fractionator gets too high because the plasma fractionator gets occluded, a pop-up window will appear where the user can initiate the flushing procedure or set a higher pressure limit. The flushing procedure can also be manually selected by pressing the flushing button in the functions menu. Maximum 500 milliliters of flushing can be carried out during treatment. Once this limit is reached, the flushing function is disabled. Consider ending the therapy in order not to risk a successful plasma return due to occlusion, as the plasma fractionator cannot be recovered by flushing anymore. Level regulation window can be reached by pressing the levels icon in the functions menu. This window displays the 4 chambers on the blood and fluid side. If the automatic function is on, the level will be adjusted automatically in the chambers. If the fluid level is too low or too high in one of the chambers, you can adjust the fluid level by pressing the arrows. The syringe change can be initiated from either from the frame or from the functions menu. Press the syringe icon on the frame. The syringe pump is stopped automatically, while the blood pump and the fluid side pumps continue running. Clamp the heparin line. Open the unlocking lever and syringe holder. Remove the syringe from the holder and disconnect syringe from line. Select the syringe type and set the new volume of the syringe. Connect the new syringe and insert it into the holder. Make sure you open the clamp on the heparin line. Press Confirm. The volumes of fluids administered to and removed from the patient in the therapy are continuously measured and logged in the treatment history. To visualize the volumes, press History on the main screen. Then the Volumes submenu on the screen pops up. You can select an interval time on the left upper side with a start and end time to see the volumes, including the treated plasma volume, the heparin, and the total flushing volume of the current shift. By pressing the graph button, you can visualize different parameters. You can view the blood side pressures like arterial or venous pressures. Also, the fluid side pressures or the temperature of the warmer. You can enlarge the graphs by pressing the icon. You can select the date and the time you want to view. To view the full list of events, select Event Log. By pressing the report, you have a full view of the current treatment, including all the volumes exchanged and removed. Press Main to go back to the home screen.